And I'm here to discuss the characteristics that determine whether a plant is a monocot or a dicot. Firstly, what is a monocot and dicot plant? Monocot plant is a plant with one seed leaf, while dicot is a plant with two seed leaves. You can observe a 6 characteristics to determine whether a plant is a monocot or a dicot. Before we continue, these are my specimens. This is beans, guinea corn, flowers, leaves, and some roots. The first one is number of cotyledon. Monocot have one cotyledon in their seedling, while dicot have two cotyledon. The example of monocot are guinea corn. Guinea corn cannot be split into two or cannot be divided into two. They have one monocot inside. The example of dicot is beans. Beans can be divided into two, so they have two monocot inside, and they can be split into two, and they can also call dicotyledonous seeds. The second one is leaf venation. Monocot usually have parallel leaf venation in their leaves. This is the example. This is the leaves. It have a straight line, as you can see. It have a straight line, so it's a leaf parallel venation. The second one is dicot. Dicot have a neck-like or a reticulate. This is the example of neck-like. It have a vertical like branches vein in the leaves like this, so it's a reticulate or net-like. The third one is flower plant. This is my flowers here. Monocot often have 2 to 4 foliates, which is monofoliate, while dicot have 4 to 6 foliates. It can be difoliate or polyfoliate. It can be more than 6. This is an example. We count the petals like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is monofoliate, that this is a monocot. This is an example of difoliate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an example of difoliate. It is up to 5 foliates. The fourth one is a root. Monocot often have a fibrous or antidentious root. This is an example of antidentious root. It have a scatter like earring, like branches in it. So this is an example of a monocot about the roots or fibrous. And then we have a dicot. Dicot has a taproot. This is an example of taproot. Taproot usually get a water from the deep down of a ground or deep down of a side, and it can survive within a long period of time. Like dry season, it can survive in that. But this fibrous or antidentious, it cannot survive during the dry season. So this one it can survive. It have a long time surviving period. Then the fifth one is a vascular bundle instead. Monocot usually have scattered vascular bundles. Dicot have a ring shape or a ring arrangement of vascular bundles. That is, this can be observed through an experiment with a microscope. The sixth one is plant based on their season. Monocot have annual season, while biennial and perennial are dicot. E.g. for annual season are rice, maize, guinea corn, and millet. While the dicot e.g. is mango, banana, and onion. By examining these features, you can identify whether a plant is a monocot or a dicot. But before you can examine, you have to add like 4 characteristics out of these characteristics, that is 4 all over 6 characteristics. For example, about a beans. Beans, we know a beans is a dicot plant. But before we can examine, yes, beans is a dicot plant, it must have up to 4 characteristics. That is, if beans doesn't have a 4 characteristics, we can't classify or consider it as a dicot plant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.